Hey guys, welcome to Algebra 1/2, lesson 86. We've got another short lesson for you today. You love those, right? This is talking about evaluation with signed numbers. So order of operations with signed numbers is the same as when you have all positive numbers. You do your multiplication and division first, then you do your addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's look at 1. I have 2 times -4 minus 3 minus -6 times -3. So we just are going to use our rules of negatives that we know just to make sure that we do everything correctly, but we do it in the correct order of operations. So I do my multiplication first. 2 times -4. Since I have one negative, I know my answer is going to be negative, so that would be 2 times 4 is 8, -8. Minus 3 minus, now I have -8 times -3. Since I have a negative times a negative, my answer will be positive. 6 times 3 is 18. So I have positive 18. So -8 minus 3 means it's plus a -3. Minus 18 means plus a -18. So I just add up my numbers and keep my negative sign. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 18 is 29. So it's a -29. Okay? Simple, right? All right, let's do some evaluation. It says evaluate -x minus x times y if x equals -2 and y equals -4. So this means I just need to replace my variables with the numbers that I have. So x is equal to -2. So this is the opposite of -2. You can't just say, oh, the negative's already there. Nope, it's the opposite of -2. Minus -2 times -4. Well, I know that the opposite of -2, that's technically multiplication, so I can go ahead and simplify that. The opposite of -2 I know is 2. Minus -2 times -4. 2 negatives will be a positive, and 2 times 4 is 8. So it's 2 minus 8, or 2 plus a -8. That would be 8 minus 2, which is 6. My greater absolute value belongs to my negative number, so it's -6. Okay, let's try this one. -a minus x times a. So a is 2, so it's a -2. Minus x is -3 times a is +2. So I don't do anything yet with my -2. Minus -3 times a +2. Since I have one negative, my answer will be negative, so I'm going to put it in parentheses. 3 times 2 is 6. So I have -2 minus a -6. When I subtract a negative, that's the same as adding. So -2 plus 6. Since my signs are different, that means I subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. My greater absolute value belongs to my positive number, so +4 is my answer. Okay, pause your video now and do your practice on page 242. Okay, you should be back, ready to go. Letter A, you had AB minus A. So you should have had -2 times 3 minus -2, which gives you a -4. Then you have, x minus xy. X is -3, y is -2, so you get -3 minus -3 times -2. Gave you -9. Letter C, -xy minus x, so you should have had negative, or the opposite of, -3 times -2 minus -3, which gave you a -3. Okay, let me know if you need any more help with those problems or if you did well. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.